My name is Bhujbal Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about body fluids and hematopoiesis. So first one is the body fluids. Body fluids are the various liquids and solutions found within the human body that play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and homeostasis. Uh, Now first one is the blood. Blood is the vital connective tissue composed of a fluid called as a plasma and components such as red blood cell, that is erythrocytes, white blood cell, that is leukocytes, and platelets. Then second one is the plasma. Plasma is the liquid component of blood, making up about 55% of total blood volume, and it consists of water, electrolytes, proteins like albumin and globulins, hormones, and waste products. Then third one is the lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid that circulates through the lymphatic system, which is a part of the immune system. Then it carries white blood cells and lymphocytes, which help to defend the body against the infection and remove cellular waste. And fourth one is the cerebrospinal fluid, that is CSF. CSF is a clear watery fluid that surrounds and protects the brain and spinal cord. Then it provides a mechanical support, cushioning, and helps to maintain the stable environment for the central nervous system. Then fifth one is the synovial fluid. It is found in the cavities of synovial joints such as knees and elbows. Then synovial fluid lubricates these joints and reducing friction and allowing to smooth movement. Then sixth one is the saliva. Saliva is produced by the salivary glands, and saliva is a watery fluid that contains enzyme to begin the digestion of carbohydrates and lubricates the mouth to making it easier to speak and swallow. Then seventh one is the gastric juice. Stomach produces gastric juice that include hydrochloric acid and pepsin. Then eighth one is the tear. Tears are produced by the lacrimal glands and help to keep the eye moist and protects against foreign particle. Then ninth one is the sweat. Sweat is produced by a sweat glands to regulate a body temperature by cooling the skin through the evaporation. Then tenth one is the urine. It is produced by a kidneys. Urine is a waste product that contain excess water, electrolytes, and metabolic waste substances like urea and creatinine. Then 11th is the mucus. Mucus is a slimy viscous fluid produced by a mucous membrane in the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and reproductive system. Then amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid surrounds and protects the developing fetus during the pregnancy. Now talking about hematopoiesis. So hematopoiesis is the process by which body produces new blood cells. So first one is the red blood cell, that is erythrocyte. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to tissue throughout the body and re-entering carbon dioxide to the lungs for exhalation. Then second one is the white blood cells, that is leukocyte. White blood cells are crucial components of immune system that play a vital role in defending the body against infections and foreign invaders such as bacteria, virus, and fungi. And third one is the platelets, that is thrombocytes. Platelets are not complete cells but rather a small fragments. They are essential for blood clotting and help to stop bleeding by aggregating the site of an injury. Then process of hematopoiesis. So first one is the hematopoietic stem cell. Hematopoiesis begins with the hematopoietic stem cells, which are undifferentiated cells capable of giving rise to all types of blood cells. Then second one is the multipotent progenitor cells. Hematopoietic stem cells differentiated into multipotent progenitor cells which have restricted potential but can still develop into a various blood cell lineages. Then third one is the commitment and differentiation. Multipotent progenitor cell commit to specific lineage. For example, erythroid for red blood cell or myeloid for white blood cell. and it undergo differentiation into precursor cells. Then fourth one is the maturation. Precursor cells mature and undergo several stages of development during acquiring specific characteristics and functions associated with their lineage. Then fifth one is the release into circulation. Once a fully matured blood cell are released into the bloodstream where they perform their respective functions. Thank you.